Next step, how to apply the load, wind load and line load on the structure. Impose load. Put the impose load on rows. Click on the area. Type 0.4 with the minimum load on the rows. Click, and change it to the load. And type 0.1. Enter. Click. To turn the wind panel and roof panel off, turn the loading off, escape. Okay, apply load on the mezzanine floor. Click on slab. Did load 1.2. And change to the import load. Tie it 2.5. Select. Enter. You can check for the load. Click on the wind panel again. Loading. Anti decompose load. So the magnitude of load height. Okay. Yeah. For the mezzanine floor 2.5 impulse. The load is correct. Click on the wind wizard. Next. Orientation, you can change the orientation. The building width, this will auto detect 30 meter correct, and the building length 48 meter correct. The basic wind speed, check in the support document. We use the 39 meters per second based on the wind map of India. Next, can enter the distance. Next, and finish. Check for the wind load. The direction of wind load 0 degree. As you see here, no wind load to check because you do not include the wind load cases. Click on wind load cases auto. Click on OK. Now wind load case added to the load combination and change it. Yeah. Click on it again. And wind zone, change to the apply load. This is the apply load on this panel 312.95. You can change the direction and change the wind CPI. We check for area. Check for the net pressure. Check for the CPE. Thank you for your watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.